So I got my boat stuck, a little shallow in here. Ben had to grab a hold and pull me off back out in a little deeper water. My boat's a little too big for just beaching right here, we found out. So Ben's dropping off one load of people at a time till we get onto my boat here. So he doesn't have to come all the way out here into this shallower water. Looks amazing out here tonight.